Hey everyone and welcome to Webtogs. Like me, do you have a dedicated room just for rucksacks? From all sizes, designs, maybe even colours. Well, the Flex Capacitor hiking backpack from Sierra Designs might solve that problem. That's if you consider it a problem. I don't really. Anyway, today we're going to be taking a look at the 25 to 40 litre pack. Firstly, you're probably thinking, how on earth does this sort of system work? Well, actually, it's pretty simple. It's all to do with the compression straps on the front of the pack, working with the excess material that enable you to adjust the overall size of your pack. Not only does this offer you amazing flexibility, no pun intended, but it also helps improve the structure of your gear on the inside, i.e. stops things from rattling around. But don't think that this is all this pack has to offer. It's nice and lightweight and it's covered in ripstop material, so it's actually super strong. The wireframe suspension system offers amazing comfort even when carrying heavy loads, and it has tons of pockets scattered all over it, giving you lots of options, from pockets on the top lip, mesh pockets on the shoulder straps, to even zippered pockets on the hip belt. What's also amazing about the Flex Capacity pack is that it's not based on one size fits all. You actually have two main sizes, so you have small, medium and medium large. These sizes let you find, well, the right size for you. But that's not all. I know I sound like one of those dodgy commercials, but that isn't all. You also have to choose your waist belt size. So having these options really mean you can customize the pack to get the best out of it and to suit your needs, making it more comfortable for you. So, who's this pack for? Well, it actually caters for everyone, from the day-to-day hiker, weekend expeditioner, to someone who just needs a pack from going A to B. The flex design on this pack really isn't a gimmick, and if you're after a new pack or just want a pack that actually can do day hikes to potential long haul trips, then you should really consider this pack from Sierra Designs. Anyway, if you want to find out more about the Flex Capacity pack from Sierra Designs, just head over to webtogs.com or click on the link pinned down below. And actually, if you have one of these packs or another Sierra Design pack, which has the compression strap system, let us know how you got on with it in the comments. If you enjoyed today's product review, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your hiking buddies, and if you haven't already, why not subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trails.